Hi, my name is Evan, and I just want to shout out Saad Ali and his Forex for Beginners Academy. I've been in stocks and crypto for a little while, and I decided I wanted to try out trading, and I was searching around and came across this site. I didn't really know what Forex was before I started, and after joined I've learned a lot, and it's really interesting to me, like everything from basic market structure to in-depth chart analysis. Um, yeah, it's a lot of courses, and after every course you can post a picture of your own work, and Saad will go through it and give you feedback on what's been good and what you can do better to the next. So I've learned a lot from this, and I've just started, and I can't wait to learn more. So for everyone who's interested in Forex or any trading, I really recommend this.